In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your PowerPoint presentation as a PDF with all your notes included. This is a handy way to share presentations, especially if you want to include those extra details without having to print everything out. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by launching Microsoft PowerPoint. You can do this by clicking on the Windows icon located at the bottom left-hand side of your screen. Once clicked, a menu will appear. Navigate through your applications until you find Microsoft PowerPoint and click to open it. Now, with PowerPoint open, the next step is to either open an existing presentation or create a new one. If you're opening an existing file, simply navigate to it and double-click to start. If you're starting fresh, create a new presentation and use this opportunity to add any photos, tables, or other content to your slides. Make sure everything is just the way you want it before proceeding to export. Once your presentation is ready, head over to the top left of your screen and click on File. This will bring up a menu where you'll find various options, but we're focused on printing today, so go ahead and select Print. In the print settings, you will see a drop-down menu where it lists a printer. It's likely set to a default printer, but for our purposes, you need to change this. Choose Microsoft Print to PDF, or, in some versions, you'll find it listed as Save as PDF. Selecting this option will ensure that your presentation is saved as a PDF file rather than printing to paper. Now, take a look at another drop-down menu, which might be displaying Full-Page Slides. Click on it and change the selection to Notes Pages. What this does is ensure that each of your slides will be accompanied by the notes you've added, providing all the context anyone viewing the PDF might need. Once you've made that selection, take a glance at the preview pane on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll see how each slide is displayed along with the corresponding notes neatly arranged underneath. This preview is a good opportunity to verify everything looks correct, so take a moment to scan through it. Happy with how everything looks? Great. Click on Print or Save as PDF, depending on which version you're using, to save the file to your computer. Choose a destination folder where you'll easily find it, name your file appropriately, and save it. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your PowerPoint presentation as a PDF file, complete with all your notes included. This method is perfect for distributing your work electronically while retaining the comprehensive detail that your notes provide. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.